Welcome, beautiful breathers, to your powerful guided breathwork session to feel alive. We will perform Kundalini Energy Breathing, an ancient pranayama technique that will open up and bring renewed vitality to our energetic system. So if you're just waking up or are tired and in a funk, this is a perfect breathwork session for you. We will pair each breath with a spinal flex movement. Exhale, slide your hands on your knees while you round the spine and bring the chin down to your chest. Inhale, slide your hands up on your thighs, bring your shoulders back, and lift the spine forward. Look up, bring the neck back, and open the chest through the heart. If you have neck problems, just keep it relaxed. Don't move your head too much, just breathe with the spine. It's important not to snap or force any of these movements. Sustain a steady, smooth, flowing motion. We will perform 3 rounds, breathing in and out of the nose. After each round, we will hold the breath before relaxing in stillness. As always, listen to your body, move with your breath, and have fun. So if you're ready, find a quiet place and let's begin. Sit in a comfortable position on a chair or on the floor, either cross-legged or on your knees. Imagine a string is pulling you up, keeping your head high and spine straight. Place your hands on your knees, and once you're settled, close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, feel the rise of your body, and breathe out. Slowly let go and allow yourself to surrender to this present moment. Today we will awaken Kundalini energy that will recharge our mind and body. So let's prepare for the first round. We will breathe strongly and deeply while moving the spine. Go at your own pace here, and on the last inhalation, we will hold the breath before slowly returning to stillness. Let's begin. Exhale, round the spine, bring the chin down. Inhale deeply, open up the chest. Breathe out, round the spine. Breathe in, open up, and out. Keep doing this, getting into a nice rhythm. Take your last 3 breaths. Last inhalation, hold the breath for as long as you comfortably can. Beautiful. Now release the holds and relax the breath. Loosen up. Let your shoulders fall. Keep your face muscles nice and relaxed. Feel your blood flowing and your heart beating. Everything has opened up. Your cells are awake. Now for round 2, we will do more Kundalini breaths. So continue to breathe strongly while moving the spine at a comfortable rhythm. If you're ready, exhale, bring the chin down, round the spine. Inhale, push the chest up, neck back. Exhale, round. Inhale, up. Exhale, round. Inhale, up. Good. Moving and breathing. Awakening your life force energy. Take your last 3 breaths. Last inhalation, hold the breath. Hands are on the knees. What subtle sensations can you feel? If you haven't already, go ahead and release the hold. Relax your breathing and observe. Feel the spaciousness you have created, all the stagnant energy and tensions have melted away out of your body. You are light. Now for the third and final round, we will take about 35 full Kundalini energy breaths. On your last inhalation, you will hold the breath for as long as you can. Again, if you need to stop early and it's enough, then it's enough. Just listen to your body here. Now let's begin. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale, up. Exhale, round. Feel this fluidity in your spine, awakening the light shining within you. If you still feel okay, keep breathing strongly, expanding the spaciousness in your body, raising your energy and allowing it to move freely. Now take your last few breaths. Last inhalation. Hold the breath. Surrender into the stillness. Bring your awareness deeper within. If you're still holding your breath, go ahead and release. Let go of any control of the breath. Relax your face muscles, your eyes, your jaw. Drop your shoulders. Let everything feel loose and light. Feel your blood flowing, your heart beating. As you root yourself in stillness, visualize energy from the ground beneath you, recharging you with new life, vitality, and inspiration. Feel the heat forming as Earth's energy moves up to your root, the base of your spine. Slowly, this energy is spiraling up to your heart center, spreading love and forgiveness to all parts of your being. Take a deep breath in and out. Now visualize this energy moving up to the region in between your eyebrows, your third eye. Connect to this greater sense of wisdom, knowing that you are exactly where you need to be. You are embracing life as it comes. Inhale, exhale. Now the light of energy has reached all the way up to your crown, opening all the possibilities. Inhale, exhale. Feel the warmth as it radiates through the rest of your body. Your whole being is alive and glowing. You have awakened the life force energy within you, and you are ready to take on anything that life brings. Inhale, exhale. Allow yourself to just be in this radiant space. Stay in your light. You are grounded, and nothing can disturb your inner peace. Now you can continue sitting for however long you'd like, or you can begin to gently move the fingers. Rub the hands together. Place one hand on your belly and the other on your heart. Take a deep breath in and out. Take this moment to just feel the natural rise and fall of your breath. Know that this light within you never goes out. It's alive, guiding you to your truth. Take a deep breath in and out. Embrace all that is you. Generate a sense of gratitude as you rub your hands together again. Bring your thumbs up to your third eye between your brows. Bow down, thank yourself for your healthy body and mind, for your breath, and for another beautiful day to be alive. Gently massage the rest of your body with this kindness. Thank you for breathing with me. I wish you vitality, strength, and love. Namaste. Thanks again for joining me. I hope you feel refreshed and alive. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more breathwork sessions like this. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.